live in constant noise, or live in complete silence? Live 100 years in the past or live 100 years in the future? Have unlimited money or have unlimited time? Be famous or live in total anonymity? Never eat your favorite food again or only eat your favorite food forever? Read minds or see the future? Lose all your memories or never make new memories? Live on a deserted island or live in a crowded city forever? Always know when someone is lying or never have anyone lie to you again? Only be able to whisper or only be able to shout? Be stuck in an elevator or be stuck on a roller coaster? Give up social media or give up television? Explore outer space or explore the deep ocean? Live without music or live without movies? Have a rewind button for life or have a pause button for life? Be extremely lucky or be incredibly smart? Live in a world with no crime or live in a world with no poverty? Have no one show up to your wedding or have no one show up to your funeral? Speak every language fluently or talk to animals?